Ellen McCauley at Pray It Off in Syracuse, New York. I have some balancing exercises for seniors. Now, if you're not a senior, don't say, I'm not even going to look at that, because a lot of people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s fall. They fall, they don't have the strength, they don't have the balance. These are some really good exercises, some gentle exercises to keep your balance. Also, somebody at work who's in our nutrition department brings a salad in a jar every day. She's got a mason jar. It's the neatest thing. There's dressing on the bottom. There's like cucumbers and tomatoes, and then there's the lettuce. And I included a recipe here because they last for up to 5 days or longer. So you could make salads in a jar on a Sunday and have it for all week. So there's a little, and if anyone has any canning or mason jars, I could use 5. So that, I mean, if you don't want them, some people have 100 of them because they used to can. And now I want to go right to the song, and thank you, Bob, and thank you, Pray It Offers.